top 5 natural vegetables to decrease creatinine and improve GFR. If your ankles swell by evening, your energy crashes halfway through the day, or your blood tests hint that your kidneys aren't keeping up, you might be on the edge of something serious. Most people don't notice kidney trouble until it's advanced, but 2 numbers can tell you a lot earlier: creatinine and GFR. Creatinine is a waste product your body makes when your muscles do everyday work. Healthy kidneys filter it out through urine. When it builds up in your blood, it's like a warning light on your dashboard, a sign that your kidneys are struggling. Then there's GFR, short for Glomerular Filtration Rate. Think of it as your kidney's speedometer, showing how fast they're cleaning your blood. The higher your GFR, the better. When it drops, waste starts lingering in your system. Even small declines can go unnoticed for years, silently increasing the risk of fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, and more. The good news? Nutrition can help. Certain vegetables contain compounds that fight inflammation, protect kidney cells, and support healthy blood flow, all of which can lower creatinine and help maintain or even improve GFR. In this video, we'll count down 5 natural vegetables that science and traditional wisdom agree are kidney-friendly. Plus a bonus tip that's not food, but can make a huge difference in how your kidneys work overnight. Let's start with the first green powerhouse on our list, one that's loaded with nutrients and easy to find in almost any grocery store: spinach. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach isn't just another leafy green, it's a kidney support superstar. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it delivers multiple benefits that can help lower creatinine and protect filtration function. 1 cooked cup of spinach provides over 10 times the daily recommended amount of vitamin K. This nutrient helps control calcium distribution in your body, keeping it in your bones where it belongs, not in your kidney tissues, where deposits can block tiny filtration pathways. Fewer calcium blockages mean smoother, more efficient filtering. Spinach is also a rich source of magnesium, about 157 milligrams per cooked cup. Magnesium helps relax the muscles in your urinary tract, improving urine flow and reducing the pressure your kidneys face. It also fights oxidative stress, which can inflame and scar kidney tissue over time. Another benefit comes from folate, at about 58 milligrams per cooked cup. Folate is key for DNA repair and healthy cell growth, essential if your kidneys are trying to heal from mild damage. NIH research links folate-rich diets with early improvements in kidney function. And yes, spinach contains potassium, which helps balance body fluids and blood pressure. But in moderate amounts, it's safe for most people in early-stage kidney issues. If you've been told to limit potassium, portion control is important. How to use spinach for kidney health? 1-2 cups cooked per day is a safe range for most. Cooking reduces oxalates, which in large amounts can form kidney stones. For a kidney-friendly recipe, sauté 2 cloves of garlic in a spoon of olive oil, add 2 cups of spinach and a splash of water, simmer, then blend into a smooth soup. When shopping, choose fresh spinach with deep green leaves. Organic is better, as it reduces pesticide load, something your kidneys will thank you for. Always rinse before cooking. Too much raw spinach daily can raise oxalate levels, so balance raw salads with cooked dishes. This way you still get the nutrients without increasing kidney stone risk. Next, we move to another green giant, one that's been nicknamed the king of cruciferous vegetables for its antioxidant punch: kale. Number 2. Kale has earned its title as the king of cruciferous greens. And when it comes to kidney health, it offers a rare combination of antioxidants, minerals, and circulation-boosting compounds. 1 raw cup of kale delivers over double your daily vitamin A needs, plus a strong dose of vitamin C. Vitamin A helps repair the delicate linings inside your kidneys, the epithelial tissue that protects and supports the filtering units. Vitamin C strengthens blood vessels and helps clear toxins from your bloodstream, which lightens the load on your kidneys. Kale's antioxidants, especially quercetin and camphorol, are powerful free radical fighters. They help neutralize oxidative stress, a major cause of microscopic kidney damage that can raise creatinine over time. Research from Harvard Medical School suggests that diets rich in antioxidants may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease in its early stages. What makes kale stand out from other greens is its natural nitrate content. These nitrates improve vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels, which enhances blood flow to the kidneys. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to kidney tissue, helping it filter blood more efficiently and potentially supporting a higher GFR. Kale also provides about 329 milligrams of potassium per cup, moderate compared to spinach. This is beneficial for balancing fluids and blood pressure if your kidneys are still able to handle potassium well. For those with later-stage kidney disease, potassium intake should always be guided by your healthcare provider. How to use kale for kidney health. Start with 1 cup raw per day to let your body adjust to the fiber. Massage kale leaves with olive oil and lemon juice to soften the texture and make it easier to digest. Light sautéing in garlic and olive oil is another simple preparation that avoids kidney-stressing additives. When shopping, look for firm, dark green leaves with no yellowing. Organic is ideal to reduce pesticide exposure. Avoid overloading on kale if you take blood-thinning medications, as its high vitamin K content can affect how these drugs work. Keep intake steady day to day. Now, let's turn to a vegetable that's low in potassium, easy on digestion, and delivers serious detox power: cauliflower. Number 3. Cauliflower. If you're looking for a kidney-friendly vegetable that's both gentle and versatile, cauliflower is a top pick. It's naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making it a safe choice for people who need to limit these minerals without sacrificing nutrition. 1 cup of cauliflower provides about 2 grams of fiber, which plays a surprisingly important role in kidney health. A healthy digestive system removes waste through the intestines, reducing the amount your kidneys need to filter. Constipation can actually increase the burden on your kidneys, so getting enough fiber can indirectly help lower creatinine. Cauliflower is rich in sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing compound with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Studies from the National Institute of Health Sciences show sulforaphane can help prevent scarring and inflammation inside kidney tissue, 2 major factors in declining GFR. By reducing this microscopic damage, cauliflower helps preserve filtration efficiency. Another plus? Its antioxidant profile. These compounds help neutralize toxins and free radicals in your bloodstream, protecting the tiny blood vessels that feed your kidneys. When these vessels stay healthy, your filtration rate remains steadier. How to use cauliflower for kidney health. 1 cup cooked per day is a practical serving. Steamed cauliflower is soft and easy to digest. Mash it as a low-potassium alternative to mashed potatoes. Try cauliflower rice in stir-fries or cold salads for a lighter meal. When buying cauliflower, choose firm, tightly packed heads with no brown spots. These indicate aging or spoilage. If possible, choose organic to reduce pesticide residues, which can accumulate in the body and stress kidney detox pathways. One small caution: like other cruciferous vegetables, cauliflower can cause gas or bloating in some people, especially if eaten raw in large amounts. Cooking it lightly usually reduces this effect. Introduce it gradually if you're not used to high-fiber veggies. Next up, we move from dense cruciferous vegetables to something light, crisp, and incredibly hydrating: cucumber. Number 4. Cucumber. Cucumber may seem simple, but when it comes to kidney health, it's a quiet powerhouse. Made of about 95% water, it's one of the most hydrating foods you can eat, and hydration is essential for healthy creatinine levels. When your body has enough fluid, your kidneys can flush out waste like urea and creatinine more efficiently, keeping your filtration rate steady. Cucumber also acts as a mild natural diuretic, helping your body release extra sodium and fluid. This is especially useful if you experience swelling in your ankles, feet, or hands, since fluid retention can force your kidneys to work harder than they should. One often overlooked benefit is cucumber's silica content. Silica strengthens connective tissues, including those in your kidney's tiny filtering units, nephrons. It also supports healthy blood vessels, improving circulation to and from the kidneys, which can help maintain or improve GFR. For people on a potassium-restricted diet, cucumber is a safe choice. It's naturally low in potassium while still providing fiber and antioxidants. This makes it a great option for hydration without the mineral overload some vegetables can bring. How to use cucumber for kidney health. Eat 1 to 2 cucumbers daily, sliced raw in salads as a snack or blended into a cucumber mint cooler with lemon juice. Avoid pickled cucumbers. Most are loaded with sodium, one of the biggest threats to kidney health. If eating late in the evening, keep portions smaller to avoid extra trips to the bathroom overnight. When buying cucumbers, choose firm ones without soft spots or blemishes. Organic is best when possible to avoid pesticide residues, which can burden kidneys over time. Cucumber is proof that kidney support doesn't have to be heavy or complicated. Sometimes, the simplest foods do the most work in the background. Now, let's turn to a vegetable that's vibrant, sweet, and loaded with compounds that directly repair kidney tissue: carrots. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack. They're a kidney-supporting vegetable packed with compounds that help repair and protect your filtration system. Their bright orange color comes from beta-carotene, a plant pigment your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin plays a key role in maintaining and repairing the delicate nephrons inside your kidneys, the microscopic filters that remove waste from your blood. When kidney tissue is inflamed or stressed, vitamin A helps guide recovery and protects against further damage. Carrots also have a moderate potassium level, which makes them safer than many leafy greens for people watching their potassium intake. Potassium is still important. It supports nerve and muscle function, including the smooth muscles that help urine move through the urinary tract. But too much can cause issues if your kidneys can't filter it well. Another major benefit is antioxidant power. Alongside beta-carotene, carrots contain lutein and polyphenols, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. This is crucial because oxidative stress damages kidney cells and can raise creatinine levels over time. Their fiber content also supports gut health, which indirectly benefits your kidneys. A healthy digestive tract removes waste through the intestines before it even reaches your bloodstream, meaning your kidneys have less to filter. How to use carrots for kidney health. Aim for 1 cup daily, raw, steamed, roasted, or blended into soups. Try carrot ginger soup. Simmer chopped carrots with grated ginger, olive oil, and vegetable broth. Then blend until smooth. If using raw carrots, pair them with a healthy fat like hummus or olive oil to improve beta-carotene absorption. When shopping, choose firm carrots with vibrant color and no cracks or soft spots. Organic is best, but if not available, wash and peel to reduce pesticide exposure. From orange crunch to a nightly habit that can relieve kidney stress without a single bite of food. Next is our bonus tip. Bonus tip: evening leg elevation. This last tip isn't about what's on your plate, it's about how you position your body. Evening leg elevation is a simple, free habit that can reduce fluid buildup and take pressure off your kidneys overnight. Here's how it works. Throughout the day, gravity pulls fluid down into your legs and feet. By evening, you may notice puffiness around your ankles or calves. This fluid doesn't just stay there. When you lie down to sleep, it shifts back toward your core. Your kidneys then have to deal with a sudden increase in fluid volume, which can disrupt their nighttime function and even increase nighttime urination. By elevating your legs above heart level for 30 to 60 minutes before bed, you encourage that fluid to return gradually, making it easier for your kidneys to handle. This technique also improves circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients more efficiently. You can do this by lying on the floor with your legs up against a wall, or by stacking pillows under your calves while resting on the couch. It's a small change, but over time, this gentle evening routine can give your kidneys a real break, and you might wake up feeling lighter and less swollen. Let's quickly run through today's top kidney support picks. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene for kidney tissue repair and protection. Cucumbers, ultra-hydrating, low potassium, and help flush excess sodium and creatinine. Cauliflower, low in potassium, high in fiber, and packed with inflammation-fighting sulforaphane. Kale, antioxidant powerhouse that boosts circulation and supports GFR. Spinach, magnesium-rich, folate-filled, and a strong anti-inflammatory shield for your kidneys. Bonus tip: evening leg elevation reduces fluid buildup and eases kidney strain overnight. Your kidneys are working for you 24/7, quietly filtering your blood, balancing fluids, and removing toxins. Small, consistent choices in what you eat and how you treat your body can make a huge difference over time. Start with just one change from this list today. Add it into your routine. See how your body responds, and keep building from there. If this video helped you, tap the subscribe button so you never miss another kidney health tip. Drop the word relief in the comments if you feel more confident about supporting your kidneys now. And share this with someone who could use this knowledge before it's too late. Your kidneys will thank you, and your future self will too.